So hello, welcome to TuneIt. Today I will demonstrate the functionality and extensibility of my internal assessment product. So I will show the success criteria on the right side of the screen, and as I go through the video, I will tick the boxes to show that I have completed the success criteria. So. Here we have the what I call the homepage interface in my code. So it's the interface where it has the general information, very general, but it has what's needed. So welcome to TuneIt. Please select a genre to continue. So here we have a drop down in which was coded in JFrame, and it gives the user an option to choose between 4 different genres. So the reason why I did 4 different genres is because when you play the violin, a lot across the centuries, pieces have been written differently. So, for example, a piece composed in the classical era by Tchaikovsky will be different than a piece composed in today's world by Taylor Swift. So this is so each note in the frequency has different in the genre has different frequencies. And this allows for a broader use of the app. And if the user wants to play a piece from the pop era genre, the user can. Or if he wants to play from the modern, he can also. So it gives really a broad range of uses. So for demonstration purposes, I will choose classical. And I'm going to press the select genre button. So what this does is it brings you to a next interface. In the code, it is called the tuning interface. And here there's another button, so the back to menu button, which, like its name indicates, will bring you back to the menu. So once I click it, it brings me back to the home page, and it gives me the option to select the genres again. So if I've tuned enough notes in the classical thing, or I'm done with this genre, I can just move to the Baroque. But here we'll go back to the classical, select genre, and here we see another drop down. So this time it has every single note in the genre, each with the frequencies associated to the classical genre. So we also have a progress bar. So it is referred to in the code by J progress bar, JFrame J progress bar, and the 100% represents the frequency of the note that's being played. So if let's say note A4, the frequency is 440 hertz. So the algorithm would listen to the input, and if the input matches 440 hertz, so using the fast Fourier transformation, which I have explained in Criterion C, if it matches the 440 hertz, it will display 100%, or 95 because the app is not as precise as expected. So I will show the note frequencies. So we can use note A4. So like I said, 440 hertz, which you can see right here. I'm highlighting it. So to play the sound, I will be using an app called Function Generator, which generates frequencies. And so to start, I will play a frequency of 360 hertz. So on my telephone, I entered the frequency, so 360 hertz, and now I will press the start tuning button, which will start which will implement the fast Fourier transformation and the logic in the program. Oh, okay. So as you can hear, it's playing. So here, as you can see, it displays on the progress bar a 78% percent rate. So 78%. It is 78% tuned, and this is quite precise, as the goal frequency is 440 hertz. So now we can try again with 420 hertz, so much closer to the objective. So here, at 420 hertz, it shows a completion rate of 97. So as I said, the app is not as precise as I would have liked it to be, so it's not super accurate, but it gives a general idea of things. So if I play 440 hertz again, so it's not same thing, 97%. But now this time, if I select the B3 note, which is right here, I'm highlighting it. So 246.94 hertz. So it will be approximated. If I play 225, no, 150 hertz, you see it's at 69%. So it is not complete. Now, what if I do 230 hertz, or 246 hertz, to make things easier? 100%. So it really fluctuates, but usually it's quite precise, and it works when demanded. Although it is not as flowing and precise as I would have liked it to be. Thank you.